If you've ever wanted a more powerful file manager on Linux and you're a frequent terminal user, then this project might change the game. It's called Television, and maybe its only flaw is its name. Unlike traditional file managers, it's built with speed, efficiency, and deep terminal integration in mind. What makes it special? First, it's incredibly fast. Thanks to asynchronous I/O and multi-threading, it handles large directories smoothly. Then there's fuzzy matching, so you don't need to type exact file names. Just enter a few letters and it finds what you need instantly. It also introduces channels, which let you search not just for files, but also through Git repositories, environment variables, and more. And if that's not enough, you can add custom channels to tailor it to your workflow. Need to see file contents quickly? The built-in preview pane lets you check text files, code, and documents without opening them. Plus, it supports asynchronous syntax highlighting, making it easy to read structured files at a glance. For those who love keyboard shortcuts, it comes with Vim-inspired keybindings, so you can navigate efficiently without touching the mouse. The only downside? It's not yet packaged for easy installation, but its potential is huge. If you're willing to compile it yourself and love working in the terminal, I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks for watching.